There are so many styles of bras. How is one to know exactly what's right for them? So I'm here to teach you. And you have the full cup bra and the demi bra and the strapless bra and the sports bra and so many shapes, and the vertical and the horizontal, and you have to be an engineer to understand everything. The one that's the most controversial and the harder one to know how to wear it and when to wear it is the strapless bra. And by name, by definition, women think about it when they need a bra that doesn't show their straps. But that's a misconception, and that's a bra that's wonderful for a lot of different reasons, and I want to show them to you. Consider a strapless bra also when your breast tissue is soft. When you want to fill up the bra on top, a full cup bra will have this area empty, because no matter how much you lift yourself up, it doesn't fill it up here. You're more saggy. When you go into a strapless bra that has a wide gore, it prevents you from spilling, and it also gives you a good support. And the moment you have the strap on, it's really not a strapless bra. It's just a demi bra that fits very well for that purpose. Some women buy strapless bras and wear them all day long without the straps, and then it's really uncomfortable. It digs in. When you have the straps on, if you don't need that kind of strapless look, when you have the strap on, it gives you support, and yes, you can wear it all day long. It doesn't dig in. So in summary, choose a strapless bra when you have softer breast tissue on top. Make sure that you choose one that's comfortable, that fits you well, and that it has straps, because it gives you so many choices. You can wear it, of course, as a strapless, but you can wear it with crisscross, and you can wear it with halter, and you can wear it only with one strap. You have a lot of choices for different outfits. Choose a wide gore if you are more plungy or sleeping in the middle, or choose a deep cut if you need it for an outfit that has more of a deep cup. Don't be scared of strapless bras. They will be your best friend under t-shirts, under so many different outfits that are right for now and for later. Enjoy your summer and enjoy your strapless bras. And stay tuned, I'll tell you about other bras pretty soon.